Hi there, it's Kim Denny with Inspired, and today I'm going to show you the basic technique on stringing your mom photo holder design. So the first thing you want to do is take your string and tie it onto any nail on your letter M. So I just tied 2 times around the nail there, so it's a really basic knot, nothing fancy. Okay, then take your string and outline your letter. So on some nails you'll go on the inside of them, on some you'll go on the outside. Some people like to do this very fancy technique, which I call a loop-de-loop, which just means that you loop around the nail so it holds on a little bit better. And you just want to be aware that you are outlining the shape. So once you have your letter M outlined, you're going to pretend like you have a crayon in your hand and just scribble inside those lines. So you will go in any direction. You'll make some long lines, you'll make some short lines. There is no right or wrong way to do this. You cannot mess it up. The only thing that you really need to be aware of on this one is to stay out of these spaces in between the legs of the M in the middle and in between this top valley here. You don't want to cross over there, or else you're just going to have a big square instead of having a letter M. You want your letter to have some definition. So let's pretend that we moved through the whole letter and we have done all of our random stringing for one layer, meaning you've touched each nail about 1 time. It's okay if you've hit some of them more than once. It's okay if you skip some nails. You're going to be creating multiple layers, so don't really stress about it. Then you're going to gently press down on the string so it moves it down a little bit closer to the wood for you, and you're going to create your next layer. To do that, you're just going to do the same exact technique. You'll go ahead and outline the entire shape and then start your random stringing. So you'll do about 3 to 4 layers until it's as full as you would like it to be. This can be as sparse or as dense as it looks good to your eye. My dogs are going crazy. I don't know if you can hear that. There must be a dog walking by outside. Anyway, go ahead and finish it until it's as full as you would like it to be. Once your letter is as strung as you would like it to be, we're going to create this little border outline. And to do that, you're going to take your string and you're going to go around, you're going to circle around 2 nails twice, and then circle around the next 2 nails twice, and then circle around the next 2 nails twice, and continue all the way around your shape. So it's giving it that thicker outline. It'll give it some nice definition, and it finishes off your project nicely. So if you want to think of it like this, if this is nail A and B, you're going to circle around A and B 2 times, and then B and C 2 times, and then C and D 2 times, all the way around your shape. Once you get back to the beginning, you'll do your loop-de-loop around the nail. Cut a nice long tail. One of the best tips I can give you is to leave yourself long tails for tying your knots. It will make it much less frustrating for you. Once you have cut your long tail here, you can just simply tie these 2 strings together, your beginning string and your end string, tie them twice, make a knot, and you're done. Or you can just cut that off and tie it onto any nail if you happen to not end on the same exact nail as where you started. Okay, so once you've finished that M, you'll finish your other M. Then you're going to get your black string and you're going to do the same technique in this tiny little space up here to create your ladybug head. And then use that same border technique, the looping around every 2 nails twice, to create your antennas. You'll go out and then back down and then move over and do your other antenna. And then you can cut off your black string and then tie your red string on, complete your heart in the exact same way, all your random layers, do your border, finish it off. And then you have some black pom-poms. You can glue, I did 3 on each side of the heart and then 1 on each tip of the antenna. And that's it. You're all set. When you are done, you can take a drop of super glue or any craft glue and dot it onto each of your knots. Let that dry, and then take your scissors and just trim as close as you can without cutting any important strings. So I hope you really enjoy doing your project. If you have any questions, feel free to message me through the Facebook page. The link to that is in the description of this video. You can find tons more projects on the Facebook page and also on my Etsy page as well. So I hope you love it. Feel free to share a picture of your completed project on the Facebook page. I'd love to see how you did. Have fun. Bye-bye.